Hi friends, today I'm showing you the Poetique designed for artists 48 pens water marker or watercolor brush pens. These are the professional watercolor markers and you can see all the colors it have. So there are total 48 different colors that's in this box, and you can see like it's a great variety of colors that can come, and the best thing is that you can refill these pens. So refill inks are not included in this, and you can see the steps to refill the pens, that you can take the top out and then drop the ink in. But there is no refill ink provided in this pack. These are only the pens that comes with this. So these pens are marked like like very sharp edges, and this can be used for multiple purposes. And you can see here the set of boxes. So there are total 4 boxes, that is in this box with all the different colors. So there are 12 pens in each box, so total 4 box, 48 pens. And you can see that these pens are like high quality, and these pens have like the non-toxic ink, good ink flow, high seal cap, and as I mentioned, is a refillable design. This is a Japanese tip for the brush, and this also have a lifetime warranty for these pens. And you can see that these are the real brush pens, and the tip is like a Japanese brush tips. It's a high quality one, made of nylon, and if I use it here on the paper, I'm showing you that it's like you can use it like a pen. It's a soft bristle, and the ink flow is good. So I'm just trying to write RYA here, so you can see the accuracy of the writing of the words, that and I can use this to fill in these letters. So I can actually control the flow at my writing. I feel it's like I'm writing with a pen, but this is a soft tip, so you have to just keep in mind. And these are the watercolors that can be used. So basically I will say that these are very accurate colors and very easy flow ink. And to refill this watercolor thing, as I mentioned, that you have to take out the top. This is like a rotatable top, and here you can add in the ink. You have to purchase the ink separately, and you can refill the ink here, then just cap it up and you are all set. So this pen can be used again and again. And this is the sealed cap, so that it will not dry. So they called it as a high seal cap. So you can see this is a great pen and great for doing precision work with the watercolors. And because this was the light color I used, so I'm just trying to show you some demo with a dark color. It's not that dark, but still it's maybe better than the previous one, because the previous one is the lighter color. So the same quality, same pen quality, and you can see the tip. And if I'm using it on here, you can see that how precise it is. So this is basically like a pen that I'm using, and the watercolor is there that I can fill in. So you can see the lines and the precision of the work and the drawing that you can do with these pens, and you can use it to fill it up. So I'm actually impressed with the quality and that color combinations and the selection of colors in this box. I will show you once again at the last moment that what colors it have, but right now, because I'm not showing you the each and every color, but I'm actually showing you the quality and the precision of it. And you can see the precision of this point, and this is a Japanese quality brush bristles with a nylon. So these are all the colors that comes with it, if you can see it through the pens. and this ink is a non-toxic ink, so this will not be harmful for you. So all these 4 boxes of the 12 each, so 48 different colors in this box, and as you can see the whole box here, and the combination of color are this. All colors mentioned here are included in it. So great color brush pens for use.